Hey there, need to convert a 7Z file to TR? I'll show you the fastest way to do it for free right in your browser. Go to Google and type 7Z to tar MiConvert. The first link is what you need. Go ahead and click it. Here we are. This is the free 7Z to tar converter. No sign-up needed, no software to install. Let's get started. Hit the Choose File button right here. Find your 7Z file on your computer, select it, and press Open. Perfect. Your file is ready to go. Check the details if you want, then just click Convert Now. Super simple. And it's converting now. See how fast that is. Just a couple of seconds and you're done. Boom. Conversion complete. Hit that download button and your tar file will be saved instantly. Easy, right? Head over to MiConvert.com anytime you need to convert files. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.